Next topic, conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter. Conversion of galvanometer into voltmeter. How you are going to convert galvanometer into voltmeter? How you are going to convert galvanometer into voltmeter? In previous case, if you want to convert galvanometer into ammeter, what we need to do? We need to connect a small resistance in parallel to the galvanometer. Now, to convert galvanometer into voltmeter, we need to connect a high resistance. A high resistor should be connected in series with galvanometer. A high resistor should be connected in a series with the galvanometer. To convert galvanometer into voltmeter, what we need to do? We need to connect one high resistor in a series with the galvanometer. That means circuit diagram will be like this. Here is the galvanometer. A high resistance, let it be R, that should be connected in series with the galvanometer. Now it becomes a voltmeter. Now it becomes a voltmeter. Next. So in this case, what is the equivalent resistance? Equivalent resistance. What is the value of equivalent resistance here?
R plus G.
These two are in series, na? So that R plus G is the equivalent resistance in this voltmeter concept. R plus G is the equivalent resistance in this case. Next. So in series connection, which one is constant?
Current is constant.
Current is constant. Which one is constant? Current is constant and voltage is going to divide. Here current is constant and voltage is going to divide in a series combination. So now, what is the voltage? Total voltage across the combination. Total voltage across the combination, or total potential difference across the combination is voltage across resistor plus voltage across galvanometer. Because the total voltage or potential difference is going to divide it into two parts. Sum of the potential applied at resistor, remaining part is going to applied at galvanometer. So total voltage is a sum of the individuals. Now voltage across a resistor is current I into resistance plus voltage across galvanometer, current I into galvanometer resistance G. Now from this one we can write this one as I into R plus G. I into R plus G. We can write like this. R. Can you rearrange this equation for G? Can you rearrange the same equation for G? From this equation, can you write equation for G? V minus IR by I equal to G. Can I write like this? From this equation. From this equation, can I write G value as V minus IR by I? Separate this one. V by I minus R. This is the value of galvanometer resistance. Or if you want to write resistance equation for resistance R, then from this equation R can be written as V by I minus G. This is the resistance that is converted in that is connected in series with the galvanometer. Is the resistance value that is connected series with the galvanometer. Can you write this equation in terms of voltages only? Can you write this equation in terms of voltage across galvanometer? Can you write the same equation by using voltage across galvanometer one? What is the voltage across galvanometer? Voltage across galvanometer is I into G. What is the voltage across resistor? I into R. These are the equations. Now can you write the last equation by using voltage across galvanometer? That means this equation. From that equation I can be written as Vg by G. Na? So R equal to V by, what is I? Vg by G minus G. Next, take G as common. Then R equal to V by Vg minus 1 into G. This is the equation. Just without this one also, we can remember this equation directly. So these are the equations. So what is R here? R is a resistance connected in series. What is V? Total voltage in the circuit. What is G? Voltage across a galvanometer. What is capital G? What is capital G? That is the resistance of the galvanometer. What is V? Total voltage in the circuit. What is Vg? Voltage across the galvanometer. Is this clear? Next, last point. So point number 4. Next, last point. If 1 by nth of total voltage appeared across the galvanometer, if nth part of the total voltage appeared at galvanometer, if nth part of total appeared at galvanometer, then Vg can be written as V by N. If only nth part of the total voltage appeared at galvanometer, then we can write that one as Vg equal to V by N. Substitute this value here. Then you will get R equal to, what is V by Vg? N minus 1 into G. This is the other equation. Just go through this one once, then I'll go through the next part of the explanation. Now, what is the main criteria? To convert galvanometer into voltmeter, what we need to do? To convert galvanometer into voltmeter, what we need to do? We need to connect high resistance or small resistor, higher one or smaller one. high resistance connected in series or parallel?
Series.
A high resistance that should be connected in a series to convert the galvanometer into voltmeter. To convert galvanometer into voltmeter, we need to connect a high resistance in series with the galvanometer as shown in this diagram. Now these two are in series. What is the equivalent resistance? Sum of the individuals only. So R plus Z is the equivalent resistance. Next one, what is the total voltage? As they are in series, total voltage is sum of the individuals. Then write the equation like this. Third point. Total voltage is sum of the voltage across galvanometer plus voltage across resistor. Voltage can be written as V equal to IR from Ohm's law. We can write total voltage like this. Now from that one, we can solve for R. R can be written as V by I minus G. From that one, R can be written as V by I minus G. Now, V by I minus G is there. So, can you write that one in terms of voltages only? Can you write the same equation in terms of voltages like this? So, can you write the equation in terms of voltages only? This is the equation of the resistance in terms of voltages. V by Vg minus 1 into G. Next, last point. If only nth part of the total current is passing through the galvanometer, then Vg equal to V by N. Substitute this value in previous equation, then you will get R equal to N minus 1 into G. These are the equations for a galvanometer that is converted into voltmeter. For a galvanometer that is converted into voltmeter. Is this clear?